Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Minka Aire fan remote suddenly stops working, it can disrupt the entire comfort of your space because you lose control over speed, lighting, and basic functions of the fan. What makes this issue tricky is that the problem doesn't always come from one obvious cause. It could be something as simple as battery failure or as specific as a signal mismatch between the remote and the receiver inside the fan. Many users immediately assume the remote is damaged, but in most situations, the issue can be fixed with a few quick checks and adjustments. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process to fix your Minka Aire fan remote and get it working smoothly without replacing it. Try these. Step 1. Remove the old batteries and insert fresh ones in the correct direction. Step 2. Turn off the fan from the wall switch and wait for a few seconds. Step 3. Turn the power back on to reset the fan receiver. Step 4. Check and match the dip switch settings inside the remote and the fan. Step 5. Clean the remote buttons and ensure no dirt is blocking contact. Step 6. Test the remote by adjusting fan speed and light to confirm it is working.